How family and loved ones can support an amputee. Hello everyone, welcome to the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees, where hope walks again one step at a time. My name is Tweki and it's so awesome to be with you. Today I want to talk to the families and loved ones of amputees. When someone loses a limb, the whole family goes through a terrible change. It is an enormous change, but sometimes family members don't know what to say or what to do, and it's true. So from my experience as an amputee, I want to share a few things with you this morning that can really help. It can really help you. First of all, listen. Listen. An amputee may feel angry, frightened, sometimes they don't, and sad, and sometimes they don't need you to fix the problem. They just need you to listen. Listen, they just need someone to listen to them. Listen, let them talk, let them cry, and please don't tell them not to cry. Let them cry to get that bottled up emotions out. Let them express how they feel without making them feel guilty for having difficult emotions. And that is very important. Second of all, don't assume they can't do something. That's the worst thing you can do. After an amputation, family members can become very protective, even and in all the cases overprotective, and that comes from love, and we understand it. But sometimes doing everything for an amputee can take away their opportunity to regain independence. Let them try. Give them a chance to try first. Let them learn. Let them do things at their own pace, and that is very important. And when they need help, be there. Just be there for them. Third of all, be patient. Learning to use prosthesis takes time. It's not overnight. Sometimes will be better than others. There may be pain, frustration, tiredness, and setbacks, and there will be setbacks. I know, because I'm a double amputee. Don't compare their progress with someone else's progress. You can't. Every amputee's journey is different. And fourth of all, celebrate the small victories. The first time they stand, celebrate it. The first few steps, celebrate it. The first time they get dressed independently, celebrate it. The first time they go shopping. These things may seem small to you and to someone else, but for an amputee it is enormous achievements and victories. Remember that. And finally, remind them that they are still the same person. They are not their amputation. Remember that. They are not their prosthesis. Remember that. And they are not their disability. No, they are still a person with demands, with talents, with feelings, and a future. There is a new future, just in a different way. I know from my own journey how important encouragement can be. It is very important. There were difficult days when I had to learn everything again. But you know what? Every small step forward reminded me that life could still be meaningful. And so let your amputee figure everything out for themselves. So if you love an amputee, don't always focus what they have lost. Don't focus on that. Help them to see what is still possible. And if you are an amputee watching this, please remember, you don't have to be strong every single day. No, you don't need to be. It's okay to ask for help. And I know it's terrible, but it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to have difficult days. And it's okay to take your journey one step at a time. It's okay at your own pace. At the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees, we want you to create awareness, not only about amputation, but about the people, the families, and the communities affected by it. And that is very important. That awareness is important. So if you are an amputee, we like to share your story. You can email me. The email address is in the description of the video. You will remain anonymous. Please, every story matters. Every story matters. Every life matters. Every step matters. Remember, from broken to brave together. And I will see you in the next video. But be supportive. But listen to an amputee. Let them cry to get that bottled up emotions out. It will help enormously. So remember, from broken to brave together. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.